Now, I love a Cuban sandwich, and I've did a couple recipes showing you how to make them. But this is a total different version with the same flavor profile, but more interesting. Now, here's my pork loin that I've butterflied out 3 ways, and I'm going to use my Moho, and I'm simply going to coat it very well. Got that mustard sauce spread on my pork loin. Let's stuff it with the traditional items used in a Cuban sandwich. I've got a good brand of ham sliced, and I'm going to put about 4 pieces. Now this is a half of a pork loin, y'all. So I've got 4 pieces here, and then Swiss cheese. And we're going to do the same. We're going to use 4 pieces. Now with the cheese, I'm not going to go all the way to the edge so it doesn't melt out of my meat. And then on top of the cheese, I'm going to put a little more ham. Be sure to roll it really tight and leave some space on the end, so when it folds over, the cheese doesn't melt out.
Now grab your butcher's twine and tie it up.
Now we're ready to head out to the grill.
Baste your swift pork loin while it's grilling with Mojo sauce. Once it reaches the temperature of 155, remove it, let it rest, and then slice it.
Now, quality control bite.
Now that you know it tastes good, build your sandwiches. Y'all enjoy.